Hello friend, this is our new product suitable for 2014 to 2017 W222 S-Class NTG 5.0 system. As you can see, this whole product is from this part, the screen and the digital cluster. But the digital cluster, you need to remain the original cluster main board. As you can see now, let's check the function. You can control by the touch toggle and the mouse click. See, and now I'll show the touch screen. Show some function. First of all, let's check the setting. Okay, put optionals here. System. See the app. This is the rain and run. It supports different language, Wi-Fi, hotspot. Let's see the system to change different language. Okay, English. The default language is English, and we can show more. Okay, Espanol, Chinese, African. Show more. You can see every language in this device. Okay, now let's check the setting. First of all, you can see the volume here. So control variety part volume, the camera mute, and the Bluetooth navigation media. And this is external amplifier. Okay, next is navigation. This is to set the default navigation. For example, here we get in the menu. See this Navi. Okay, click it. You jump to Google. Okay, for example, if you have more than one map application in the system, you can set a different. But now we only have one Google, so click this, open Google. Next is about the camera. Okay, this. If the car has factory rear camera, we open this original R. If the car doesn't have a factory camera, we need to additional camera. Click this, it's just different. Okay, for example, this car has a factory. Okay, if the car has an aftermarket camera, then you can open this setting. Next, the system. This is about the detail, some version of this device. Also showed you about the chipset and the gigabyte and the RAM and ROM and the factory setting. Our password is 6x6. I'll show you more here about the camera, about the door direction, door info, here temperature, oil quantity, type of car. Okay, next is the here can do the system reset. Next is Android. This part you can connect Wi-Fi, hotspot, and change the language, the time. Let's start with the language. So here, now the default language is the English. And let's check more. You can see Espanol, Chinese, more. Reading the German. Here. More than you expected. Reading it, semi Arabic. Okay, Japanese. And this supports different colors of the dashboard. Let's check it. Also show the temperature, time, and the oil here, the car info. And when the car runs, this run. Same as the cluster. Okay, next the video. Support the external video. I mean, external mean you can get video from the USB. Okay, next is this my car. One touch and click back to the original system. But the original system can be only controlled by the touch, by the mouse. After installing this Android the mouse will work perfectly. And one touch to switch back to Android. Next, you see more application here. Google, YouTube. Also, you can download more applications from the Play Store, like the Netflix, Spotify, etc. This is the DPS. You can set different style of the sound here. Standard, pop, rock, different style. Here is the file manager. You can put the hard disk, the USB here. And you can read the music, the picture, the video, movie. Okay. Next is the music. This is same as video. You can get internal music and get external music from the USB, the hard disk. When you connect, you can see your external here to get music. Okay, next. And this navigation, it's Google Map. And that is Bluetooth. When you connect this, you can check play music. And this is the contact book. Oh, this is the contact history, and this is contact book, and this is dial.